Good morning, Indira Shah here. Today I'll show you a very effective hair pack. I have around 4 to 5 types of hair pack. This is one of them. Okay? For that you need fresh guava leaves. Here, this is a guava leaves and this is the red hibiscus. You can take red or white. Any hibiscus flower you can take. And this is the hibiscus leaves. Okay? And this is aloe vera, and this is methi seeds. This is the small onion, shallots we say. I'll tell you how it helps. Here the hibiscus leaf and the flower has amino acid. This amino acid helps to strengthen the roots and it stimulates hair growth. Okay, then onion has sulfur in it and it nourishes the follicles, and it also has antibacterial properties that helps to keep away the infection. Okay, if you have any infection in the scalp. And then this is aloe vera. You know aloe vera is also called as kumari. Okay, the enzymes that is called as proteolytic, which has in this aloe vera, it clears the dead cell. Okay, and then it prevents itching of the scalp, especially if you're above 50, your scalp starts itching, so this will help in clearing the itch, and it cleanses the scalp and it keeps you away from infection. Then fenugreek, that is methi seeds, fenugreek seeds. This methi seeds kills it also has the bacterial properties. It kills the bacteria that is present in your scalp and strengthens the roots. And this is guava leaves. Guava leaves is very effective in many ways. One way for the hair is, when you wash your hair with the guava leaves decoction, it immediately arrests the hair fall. And this has vitamin B and C and antioxidants that protects the scalp. Okay, then it also arrests the hair fall, as I told you, and it helps in thickening of the hair. And if whatever scalp issues you have, if you wash your hair with this, or if you have a face pack with guava leaf, it certainly helps you. Now what you should do is take the required quantity of all things. If your hair is very small, you can take about 5 leaves of this, 5 of this, and 5 of this, like that. Okay, this I'm just showing you. Now after collecting all this, you have to grind it to a fine paste. Here I have not added water because the moisture in the aloe vera, with the skin you can, okay, don't remove the gel. With the skin you can grind it. And then before applying the hair pack, I make roots hair oil. Okay, this has around 30 ingredients and most of the ingredients are grown by me. So first what you do is massage your hair with this oil. I'll just show you with my hair. Here I am going to massage the roots hair oil. See, you can see this is natural. This is very natural. Here, apply it on the scalp. And then you should massage it like this. Can you see? See, I am 62 years old. I have not dyed my hair till today. Till today I have not dyed. Trust me. You can check, you can take a few strands of my hair and get it checked in a lab if it has any dye present in it. I never dye my hair. My hair is, see, it is so long. You can see, because I use the hair oil, the roots hair oil, and this was shown by my grandmother, my great grandmother. Since generation we are using this oil. Okay, and here you should massage it like this. Massage for about 5 minutes. Do not use your nail. Do not use your nail. Only use this part like this. Massaging helps for the pores to open and the oil penetrates inside. and it cools your body and it helps to strengthen your roots. Okay, now also oil till the bottom. Okay, now after massaging for about 5 minutes, you have to oil till the tip of the hair. Okay, for men only the scalp. Okay, now take the pack here. Here, this is the pack. Here, apply it all over. If you are suffering from cold and cough, do not apply that time because it may increase your cold or cough. If you don't like the smell of the onion, you can omit. I'll show you in my next video. I'll show you another what do you call pack which will not have the onion. But this onion, this shallot will not smell that odd. See, you can do like this. Now open your hair like this and on the scalp. See, open your hair like this and on the scalp. Everywhere you apply, even down the hair. Here, I have applied all over. So this may take around, soak the pack for about 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. Then wash it. You do not shampoo after that. You will certainly feel the difference, after washing it. Every week or twice a week you can repeat this. In no way this will harm you. It will only help you in strengthening the roots of the hair, and it will not allow the hair to gray fast. Okay, so this will also help in arresting the hair fall and premature graying, I can say. So you need to use both the roots hair oil and this pack simultaneously. This will certainly help, I can guarantee, because I have used all the natural ingredients and most of them are grown by me organically. Okay, please try this and get back to me. Give me your sincere feedback, whether it is positive or negative. Anything I welcome. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. Here, you can just pack it like this. So my YouTube channel is in the name of Indira Shah, INDIRASHAH, and you can view my channel in YouTube. Please subscribe my channel, press the like button, and share my channel, my YouTube channel with others. And please press the bell button because you'll get notification on more packs, gardening tips, beauty tips, and even cooking. So thank you very much. Bye bye. This is with Vela.